All right, folks, we are in lesson 25 today for your first day distance learning here. And I'm just going to click on it quick here. It says lesson 25, test 2 review. So you'll hop in there and it will look like this. And you'll just want to, you can play the Kahoot game. There's a link to that. And you can either open it up and play as a guest, and you can use the link on your phone, or you can just review the questions and show answers, however you want to do that there. Also, there is a link to the review sheet on the lesson, so feel free to take a look at that. Again, there's nothing that you need to, you don't have to do it, but it's a great review. It's going to help you be in the right mind frame for your test either Tuesday or Wednesday, whichever day you're taking it, depending on if you're an odd or even block. Last thing I want to show you is that every day we teachers have to put up this distance learning plan, and so you can see there is also a link to the lesson right here. And then for attendance today, I need you to send me an email. And your email can either ask me any questions you still have about the test. If you're going through the review and you're like, gosh, this does not make sense, send me a question about that. Otherwise, if you don't have any questions, you've gone through the review and you feel pretty solid about everything in there, just send me an email that says I'm ready to take the test. I don't have any questions, something like that. There's my email. That way you get credit for attendance. Hope that makes sense. As always, send me an email if you have questions.